Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from Montreal, Canada. There is a story of this particular package because I ordered my first skinny guy from Naked and Famous, and I ordered it and purchased from Tate and Yoko. This is my first time to order from that online store. It was very easy for me to purchase. I was able to get the size properly. I measured my Levi's 511 and Levi's 5112 as they appear to be more appropriate for my body profile because these particular Levi's cuts are skinny fit. I think they are better in my body profile or body fit. I ordered this item from Tate and Yoko, which is the Elephant 11, which is the Grandrelle. And this is the 100% cotton. It's not the stretch version. This will be my first super guy cut from this particular brand. I was nervous actually when after 1 week I haven't heard from this brand, and I made a follow-up email from them, and they told me that it will take some time for them to send the item because there are so many orders for the Christmas season, and I understand it. So I waited, and finally after 20 days, you heard it, after 20 days they sent me a shipping notice, and they told me that it will be sent through FedEx, my favorite carrier. I had a very sad experience with FedEx, an item coming directly to the Philippines. But anyway, that is beside the story, and you can find out in my previous videos about my experience with FedEx. So, as usual, from Montreal to Los Angeles, where my forwarder is located, the Johnny Air Cargo, it took them for 3 to 4 days. And after 9 days from LA to Manila, I received this item, but it's only now that I'm going to unbox it. It is in its original package, and this was not opened by the Philippine Customs. So we're going to rip it open. Oh, I got a sticker from Naked and Famous. I think Tate and Yoko knew that this is my first time to buy an item, which is the Naked and Famous, from their online store. So maybe they gave me this sticker. Yeah, very nice. With their original Naked and Famous plastic bag, and it has a ziplock. So we're going to open it. So we're going to read what is in the receipt. It says Super Guy Elephant 11, Grandrelle size 30, and I have it hemmed to 30 inches. Maybe that's the reason also that it was shipped longer than I expected, because in their notice on the online store, it is indicated there that it will take some time if I'm going to have it hemmed to my desired length of the inseam. So according to the website, it will take a delay of about 5 to 7 days, but it's okay. It arrived without any problem to the Philippines, and It was sent on November 30. Practically, I received this after Christmas already. Okay, few days before the New Year's Eve. We're going to open it and bring it out. This is 20 ounces in weight per square yard, and the usual tag. They had it hemmed. They remove some few inches, maybe 2 inches, because I requested for an inseam of 30, and it's true that they were able to hem it. The usual tag. This is size 30, and you have the very nice leather patch, very thick. I like the texture of 20 ounces. You can hear the firmness of the fabric. This is a skinny guy, which means that the top block is slim, it is mid-rise, and from the knee to the hem it tapers. So we will see in the fit video if this will be okay to my body. Of course, you have the 4 buttons, the rivets, very nice rivets. The rivets on the pockets, and a very nice cotton pockets, very thick. You have, of course, they don't have any earthquakes. And at the hem you can see the self-edge, and of course the back portion of the fabric, you could see that a mixture of white and black and indigo. Nice hem, chain stitch. You have also nice chain stitch on the waist portion. Yeah. The inside part of the fabric looks like a slabby fabric, but it's no, it's just a mixture of the indigo and the white thread at the back. But at the outside you have a very dark indigo. You will see how this particular Selvedge jeans will fade. This will be a part of my rotation, but I don't know when will I use this straight. I mean on a regular basis. So for the meantime, it will be part of my collection of Selvedge denim, together with my other branch of Selvedge denim jeans. So we'll go now to the fitting video. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe so that we can sustain this channel. And then please click the notification bell so that you will be informed of my future and latest YouTube contents on this YouTube channel. And if you have any comments or experience of having this kind of denim jeans, please indicate in the comment section. And if you have any positive or negative comments on this fabric or on this content, please write in the comment section so that I can answer them. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.